Hello everybody, welcome back to this week's Slay Sunday Spooky Edition. So for this week, I'm in this turtleneck and this hair. I wanted to give you guys a witchy vibe, some kind of witch moment. I don't know, because I got this hat recently from Shein. Probably like a week ago or something like that. And I received it, and I don't know, it's giving me like a witchy vibe. So I was like, how about I hit something like that for the kids? Okay, so as you can see, I've already done my base. I have given myself black eyebrows. I probably look a little crazy, but that's just where we are right now. So I'm going to get into it. Oh, I may not get anything on my pants. I'm just taking this little e.l.f. like bite-sized palette in truffles is what it's called. I'm taking this black shade. I don't fully know what all I'm doing right now, but we're gonna just play around and see. I know I just definitely want a lot of black. So I'm gonna take this black shade. I'm gonna put this all over my lid. And honestly, this look is probably gonna be on the messier side just because I kind of want to look dirty, if that makes sense. So this doesn't have to be like the cleanest. Doesn't have to be the cleanest application. So I really want to use, I want to try, I haven't used it yet, but I bought it a while ago, like months ago. It's the e.l.f. liquid, I think just liquid shadow, in the shade Black Magic. I thought it was really pretty. I just haven't used it yet because, you know, we haven't been like going, you know, we haven't been able to like go on nights out and stuff like that really with COVID. So I really want to try just kind of putting this over the black shadow. I just wanted to give this some kind of base. So oh, okay, yep. This will be great for like a freaking like a New Year's moment if you want to give the kids sparkle. Ooh, I'm gonna not move my eyes too much though because you know, it's liquid, so I gotta let her dry. Oh, but that is drama, honey. That is drama. I'm here for it. Yes. Oh, I know y'all see how pretty that is. I know y'all see how pretty that is. We are giving glam. Yes, okay. Now I just kind of need to let this mess dry. I'm gonna take my fan, hopefully speed up the process. I'm gonna go back in with this black. And I'm gonna put on my lower lash line. Again, this is not, I feel like with this, probably the messier, the better, honestly. I'm kind of making this almost like a little bit more of like a winged out. I'm not really putting any additional shadow on my brush really just blending just to make it even more. Yes, okay. So what do I want to do next? I'm gonna take my contour brush and my James Charles Morphe palette, and I'm gonna go into that black shade. I'll go into that black shade here, and I'm just using this one just because it has the bigger pan, and I'm going to use that as like my contour. Yes. I wish I had another brush other than my actual contour brush to contour this with, because I've just been really lazy and I need to clean my freaking brushes. And you know, once you get black on it, you have to clean them. So yeah, but just gonna place this as my contour. I honestly probably put a little bit more than I needed, but again, the messier the better, right? I'm gonna put some on my nose area too. Yes. Haha. We're looking spooky, I feel like, right? It's coming together. Okay. I kind of want to do like, I don't know, maybe almost like tears or something. Some kind of like lines going down my eyes. I kind of want to do something like that. I'm going to take my e.l.f. Wow, this really is an e.l.f. day, isn't it? I'm going to take my e.l.f. liquid liner. And I'm, just because it has this really thin felt tip, I'm going to, I think I'm just gonna kind of make some lines. I don't know. I feel like it might look cool, maybe. This could be a huge mistake, but you know, we'll see. And again, there's really no rhyme or reason to this. I'm just making lines. Does that, I don't know, does that look weird? Does it look cool? I don't know. Is it spooky? You know, it's just an idea. I also need to let that dry since this is liquid. Hopefully this looks cool as it does in my mind. I don't know. We'll see. Another e.l.f. product, my e.l.f. pencil liner. And I am going to do the waterline on my eyes. I might tightline too, just to give it even more black, intense effect. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I am going to put on some mascara and some lashes, and I will be back. Okay. So, mascara and lashes are on. These lashes are really bringing it together. I'm using my Ardell lashes, the double up. Yeah, the double up. Let me see. 203s in black. These are really intense, and I like these. I think it's good for like these kind of looks like this. Anyway, so I'm having how it's looking. Now I just need to do my lip, and then like we're gonna be done, you know, after the finishing touches. So I'm gonna take my black lip liner. Lips are lined. Now I'm just gonna go in with my Wet n Wild liquid catsuit in So Noir Cool. I think I'm actually just gonna do like a little line going down my lip. Just kind of a little final touch. Should I do one line or should I do, oh, I might do a couple. I might do like some smaller ones. Too, just kind of like a little, that feels so weird. That actually feels really weird because it's liquid. Ew. Okay, it feels like squishy. I don't like it. Okay. Okay, feels a little less weird now. Okay, so now I'm just gonna put on my accessories and whatnot, and we gonna be finished. Yes, you guys. Okay. Okay. This is the final look. This is the final look. I'm having it, you guys. I'm actually really having this. Okay. Okay. Ew. And honestly, this was pretty easy. Like, didn't take me too long. You really just need a black eyeshadow. I mean, I have the glitter shade, but still, like, just gotta put black kind of all over your face. You know, make some little tears, little lines. I am, you know what? I just took a DNA test, and it turns out I'm 100% that witch. Oh, I know that was corny, but you know, go along with it. I'm feeling myself. Anyway, you guys, I just need a broomstick so I can fly away. But I hope you guys enjoyed this week's look. I'm really having how this came together because I really just had like a loose concept in my mind. But I'm loving how it turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video, and I'll be back next week with the finale. I can't believe like we're already over halfway through October. Swear to God, we are going to be pulling out the Thanksgiving turkeys and, you know, putting up Christmas trees before we know it. This year is really winding down. Which also means the election is coming close, so like, y'all asses better vote, or I'm gonna like cast a spell on you or something. Anyway. So, anyway, I'm just rambling. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. I'll be back next week with another one, and stay spooky, witches.